Hey guys, you know it's fall, air is crisp, leaves are changing. It's my favorite time of year to get out in the woods and go for in the woods. I like to get out and go for a walk. All right, screw this. I'm going home. I'm gonna cook something. All right, nice out, but not worth getting shot over. But one great thing about the holidays is you get all kinds of special foods in addition to the venison free-for-all, like this one, Pandoro, this nice sweet kind of cake bread thing from Italy that makes awesome French toast. And I only see it around the holidays. Panettone, which you might also see, is really good too, but you have to like fruitcake. Slice that up nice and thick so it soaks up lots of egg mixture, which is your basic French toast egg mixture. You use milk and eggs. You can use cream. Cream's good too. And then boost it a little bit with a couple of teaspoons of sugar and a little vanilla extract. Damn it, I always do that. So soak up a bunch of that in the Pandoro and melt some butter in your pan and slide it in. Don't put the heat up too high though, because you're either going to burn the outside or you're going to leave the middle a soggy mess and probably teeming with salmonella besides. You got to cook it all the way through. And when it's done, you know, serve it up with your usual butter and syrup, or you can always do the full Italian with some Nutella. Honestly though, to me, it doesn't need anything more than maybe a little sprinkle of powdered sugar. Totally up to you though. Cheers.